Well, gentlemen, today we are going to explore this AND logic gate on circuit, right? Now, this is the truth table for it. You're already familiar with the truth table, right? This is the truth table. These are the inputs X and Y, and Z is represents the output of the gate. Now, this is the logical symbol of AND gate, right? And this is the Boolean operator for AND gate. Now, here we see we have two inputs that are going into the AND gate, and one output is coming out of the gate. So, according to this, if I show you the IC for AND gate, right? This is the IC for AND gate that I already deployed over here in this circuitry. It's a 14-pin IC, right? And here it is. This is the internal schematic of the pins, right? From pin number 1 up to pin number 14. This is the cut side. So from the cut side towards the left, the first pin is called pin number 1, 2, 3, and so on. And now this is the 7th pin. For 8th pin, you have to come to this way up to here. So in this way, you can cover all of the pins. Now pin number 14 is the VCC, voltage input pin, and pin number 7 is ground for this AND gate IC. Now I show you the anatomy of this AND gate, right? This is the anatomy of AND gate anatomy. Here you see we have 4 AND gates that are inside the, you can say like they are connecting these 14 pins together. Now it's very clear from the diagram that the first gate consists of 3 pins. First pin, second pin, and the third pin. First and second pin is the input pins, and third pin is the output pin. On the basis of this, we selected this gate. Now here, come to this circuit. Here you see we have these two brown, these jumper cables here. These connection cables. These cables are used to provide zeros or ones to your this IC. Okay, right now because this internal rail is positive, okay, denoted with this orange color wire, and the outside of the rail is negative. If you capture the the scenario right now, it's showing that both of the pins are on high, right? Both of the pins are on high. To change the state, we move these two brown wires between positive and negative. Okay, in this way we can get different combinations. Now come to the Boolean table for the AND gate, right? Now this is the Boolean table for the AND gate. Here it is. Now the first combination of the input is 0, 0. So what I am doing now, I am supplying on pin number 1 and 2 zeros and zeros. So this is 0 because the outer rail is 0. So I am placing these two ones zeros. Okay. Now we will check the output. Now this is the 5 volts that's coming from this power supply, right? You see now this is 0, 0. Nothing is happening. 0, 0, and 0. Inputs are 0. Output is 0. Now I am changing. Now I'm shifting the second pin to 1. The second pin to 1. You see, one input is getting higher, right? It's getting higher, right? And the other one is lower. This shows the second combination, 0 and 1. And you see, the answer is 0 again. Now I move on to the third combination, 1 and 0. So pin number 1 will go to positive, and pin number 2 will go to negative. You see, this is the state 1, 0, 1, 0, and the output is 0. Now the last combination is left, that's 1, 1. So I move on this the long brown wire, right, to positive here. You see now 1, 1, and this is also 1. The 3 of the LEDs are glowing. Okay. If you make the camera, okay, you picture from this side, they are more clear, right? So the both inputs are high, output is high. So gentlemen, this is the implementation of your this AND logic gate. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.